The Kitchenaid range error code F5E0 indicates a door closing malfunction. This issue can be caused by incorrect mechanical latching of the door or electrical faults related to the door latch assembly, door switch, or associated wiring. To fix the error, servicing the door latch arm is a potential solution, which involves opening the appliance's door and checking if the lock arm is properly aligned, as a misaligned or bowed arm can prevent the door from shutting. It is essential to exercise caution when performing this task, as the door latch may be hot if the oven has been in use for an extended period. The latch arm is located at the top front section of the oven frame, above the gasket. If necessary, realigning the lock arm can resolve the issue. Another potential fix is to power cycle the appliance, which can clear minor electrical faults causing the error. This is done by disconnecting the appliance from the main power supply for at least a minute before reconnecting and turning it back on.